So in our classes moving forward with our breakout groups, on occasion, I'd like you to be able to share your screens, but also be able to play videos for one another or play music for one another, and have everyone able to hear the music coming out of your computer. And there's a specific way you need to share your screen in order to make that happen. Now, how you open up Teams, it appears that it does matter. Having spoken with some students yesterday in class, it appears that if you log in and open up Microsoft Teams through the internet, it does not work. I've never experienced that because I don't open up Teams through the internet. I have the app on my computer, which is down here on mine. You might have a little icon on your screen somewhere for it, but that is apparently the way that it should be opened. So if I open up Teams, it will look like something like this. You have to go to your breakout groups or whatever. You'll have to start a meeting. So we'll get a meeting going. It'll take a second for this to load. Bear with me. So my breakout group meeting is started. And now in order to share my screen, I'm sure you're all familiar with this. You have the little arrow pointing up. Highlight it will say share content right beneath it. So I click that. But in order to actually share the music or sound from the video I'm playing, I have to click include computer sound. And as you can see on my screen, it's right above the tiles. So I'll click that. Now anytime I play music or video, everyone else will hear the sound coming out of my computer. If you do not select this, they'll see what's being played, but they won't hear the sound. When you go to select the tile on your screen, I would always recommend selecting the desktop. So I'll select that. And the reason why is now I can go to any tile in my screen here, and everyone will always see exactly what it is that is in front of me. Desktop means whatever I see on my screen, everyone else does too. And often you can get lost and you think people see what you're looking at, but they don't. They're seeing something else. So definitely use that desktop option.